Preparation of hydrogen gas. How hydrogen gas can be prepared? So there are different methods that how hydrogen gas can be prepared, that is by laboratory method, industrial method, and some general methods are there which you have to study. So before to initiate our topic, here you can see on right hand side I have written the reactivity series of metal. As you can see from top to bottom I have written the reactivity series of metal with their symbol. Okay, their symbols are written. First you can see that is the potassium symbol K, then sodium Na, then calcium Ca. Likewise you can see here at the last that is the gold symbol with Au. So this is the reactivity series of metal whose reactivity decreases from top to bottom. So here the highly reactive metal is what? That is the potassium with symbol K, and least reactive metal is gold with symbol Au. So how we can prepare the hydrogen? Here the reaction, the general method we will start. First here you can see action of metal with water, second action of metal with acids, and then action of metal with alkalis or bases. So here we will take the metal and we will react with the first method, that is the water. So let's initiate. So what happened when metal react with water, then how hydrogen gas will form? So here the general reaction is that when metal react with water, okay, water, that is, then what happened, what here it formed metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Okay, but in some cases what happened, when metal react with water, then they form metal oxide and hydrogen gas. How? In some cases you will see metal react with water, then they form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas, and in some cases metal when react with water they form metal oxide and hydrogen gas. So here case is that when highly reactive metal, when you are taking the highly reactive metal and then they react with water, what type of the water here? That is the cold water. Okay, so water formula is what? That is the H2O. So when cold water react with metal, then what happen? Metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas will form. And when metal react with water means when here you will say hot water or you can say steam. Okay, so when metal react with steam, then they form what? Then they form metal oxide plus hydrogen gas. So let's see the reaction also. So here we will take the highly reactive metal, that is the potassium, okay, with symbol K. So when potassium react with cold water, okay, because it is highly reactive, so we need the cold water, no need here for the steam. So we will take the highly reactive metal here, that is the potassium with symbol K, plus react with what? Cold water, H2O. Here you can write what they form. They form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So metal hydroxide means potassium hydroxide will form plus hydrogen gas, that is H2. Okay, evolution of gas. So like this we can prepare the hydrogen gas. Secondly, here in the second method, that is when metal react with steam. Okay, so here we will take the metal which is less reactive, because highly reactive metal easily react with the cold water. So for the less reactive metal, here we will take the steam or hot water, you can call it. So less reactive metal, suppose we are taking here, that is the magnesium. So we will take here Mg, magnesium symbol, plus steam, water. Here you can write steam also. So what they form? When steam react with less reactive metal, they form metal oxide, that is MgO plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so like this we can prepare the two example I have explained you. Two examples are there. That is, a metal when react with cold water, highly reactive metal when react with cold water, they form metal hydroxide. Okay, example you can see, potassium react with water, that is the cold water forming potassium hydroxide. Formula KOH plus H2 gas. And when metal react with steam, that is the less reactive metal react with steam, then they form metal oxide. Here example Mg, that is magnesium react with water, steam, they form metal oxide, magnesium oxide plus hydrogen gas. So this is the one method, action of metal with water. Now second method is action of metal with acids. So here M for metal, then they react with, when metal react with dilute acid, then they form metal, salt and hydrogen gas. So here we will take metal, for example you are taking the metal zinc, okay, with symbol Zn. So when zinc react with acid we are taking here sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, okay. When react, then they form what? They form metal salt, okay. So here what happened? Metal salt plus hydrogen gas. So here hydrogen gas will release. So what you will get here? That is, you will get Zn, and from here you will get SO4. So the salt which is formed here, metallic salt, that is the ZnSO4 zinc sulfate. Okay, so we will write here zinc sulfate, and what is left? ZnSO4 salt form, and what is left? That is the H2 gas. So here like this hydrogen will form. Another acid we will take here with zinc, that is hydrochloric acid, HCl. So again hydrogen gas will release, and what is formed here? ZnCl2, that is the zinc chloride formula, okay. ZnCl2 is the formula of zinc chloride. So ZnCl2 zinc chloride, that is the salt, will form, plus what is left? That is the hydrogen gas. Now we will balance the reaction. The first reaction is already balanced. Second reaction, that is the zinc, here you can see one zinc here and one product side. So zinc is balanced. Second we will go with a non-metal balancing. So first we will balance the chlorine. So here one chlorine and here two chlorine. So what we will do, we will here put the number, that is the 2. Now hydrogen here 2 and here also 2. So our reaction is balanced. So like this hydrogen gas will prepare when metal react with acids. Now third method is action of metal with bases. So here general reaction is when metal react with hot concentrate alkalis or bases, then they form product, that is the metal salt and hydrogen gas. So here the metal is what? That is the zinc we have taken, base we have taken NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So what happened when they react? So they form metal salt, that is Na2ZnO2. This is the metallic salt, that is the sodium zincate, plus which gas evolve here? That is the hydrogen gas, okay. So this metallic salt will form, that is the sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Now we will balance. So metal first of all we will balance. Zinc 1 here, here also 1, sodium here 2 and here 1. So we will put here the 2 for balance it, okay. Now sodium become here 2, okay, and here also 2. Zinc already balanced. Oxygen how many? That is the 2, here also 2, hydrogen 2 and hydrogen again here 2. So our reaction is balanced. So these are the three method, that is the action of metal with water we have done, then action of metal with acid, and then action of metal with bases. So like this we can prepare the hydrogen gas.